part 8.4, first PHP program, hello world. Yeah, very simple, but we need to know how to write our first PHP program. Yeah. So that's very important. Yeah. All right, so let's start. Before I show you how to do it, first let me give you some background information. Yeah. All right. Here I like to talk about, how to develop PHP programs. All right, how to develop PHP programs. All right, yeah. Okay, yeah, so the tools, the ways, yeah. Here. To make it simple, yeah, here, let me give you these possible ways we can use to develop. First, just use a text editor to write program. Okay, yeah. For me, I like a text editor called Notepad++. Yeah, yeah, because I feel it is much better than Notepad. Yeah. Although many people may use Notepad before, yeah, but this Notepad, so I highly recommend Notepad++. Yeah, many students already use it. Yeah. Later, when I show you how to write our first program, I will use this. Okay. Yeah. All right. Second, IDE. For project development, most of the time people like to use integrated development environment because those tools usually provide us many convenient features, functionalities. Now, very convenient to improve our productivity. Yeah. For example, when we write PHP programs, we need to use many PHP functions. Okay? So many times we couldn't memorize all those huge number of functions, hundreds of, yeah, at least hundreds of different functions. Yeah. If you use the IDE, when you type the first few characters, you get a list of suggestions. Then it will be much easier, right? If you just know, roughly the function name, the first few characters, then it's very easy. Look at the list, you can find the right one easily. Yeah. So lot of convenient features we can use. So it is highly recommended we use some appropriate IDE. Yeah. Here regarding IDE, I give you two possible IDEs we can use. The first one called NetBeans. NetBeans for PHP. Okay. NetBeans has many different versions. Yeah. For Java, for PHP, for C++, and for some other things, right? Yeah. Okay. But here we only use the PHP version. Yeah. So you can find it easily. Yeah. But this one I will use next video. Yeah. Part B. Yeah. I will use part B.1 to explain how to use NetBeans to develop PHP project. Very simple. Yeah. But there are some things I want to explain to make it much easier for you to use. Yeah. So that's the second. Third one, Eclipse IDE, also another very popular IDE, Eclipse. Eclipse for also PHP. Eclipse also has many different versions. Okay, yeah. But we need the one for PHP. So when you download, choose the right one. Yeah. But for Eclipse, I have some bad experience. Yeah. So here I want to let you know. Long time ago, 10 something years ago, when I used Eclipse to develop PHP projects. So very, very good, very easy. Yeah. So, that's the old time. Yeah. Very easy to write PHP programs. Yeah. Almost as good as NetBeans. Okay. But I just tried the most recent version I installed. I tried to run PHP program. The configuration is very complicated. You need to configure. You need to connect it to the Apache server. Yeah. But it's not trivial. You need to do a long list of steps. Okay, long list of steps. Yeah, too complicated. But in NetBeans, we only just do a few steps. 2 or 3 steps. Yeah. That one, long list. But even when you do it, each one, it's not that straightforward. So for that reason, I do not encourage you to use, Eclipse. All right. Yeah. Although it's a very popular IDE, but learning curve is not that simple. If you like the challenge, you can try. Okay? If you like the challenge, you can try. But for me, because when I recommend your IDE, I want to choose the most user-friendly, the easiest one. Because we do not have that much time. We don't want to spend too much time to, configure IDE, there are a lot of problems. We need to fix it. We need to search the web, too much headache. Yeah. So let us just use the simple one. Yeah. This NetBeans. Yeah. So my next video, part of B.1, I will use this one. I will show you using this one to write that simple hello world example. Yeah. In this video, we use this Notepad++ to do that hello world. Okay, yeah. Because in that way, we can learn some basics. Yeah. All right, so next I want to talk about this hello world. Yeah. Draw the picture. Yeah. Before we do it, show you the overview a little bit. Yeah. Hello world, still hello world. Yeah. Let me recall, something we learned in the previous video. Yeah. In order to run PHP in Apache server. So remember, we need to run PHP in Apache server, right? Yeah. Make sure Apache is running. Okay? Yeah. All right. So then, remember, we need to put our file in document root. I hope you have this, this concept. Document root. Yeah. So that's the folder we use to hold all our web files, including folders. Yeah. Folders inside it. Yeah. But if we use it, document root, yeah. So in Apache, there is a folder called htdocs. htdocs, document root. We just drop it in that folder. After we do it, we can access it. Yeah, we need to test it. Access it through URL http:// then your file name. If we have folders, you also put the folder names. All right, so here, suppose our first PHP file we call hello.php. Hello.php. Okay? Yeah, that's it. Yeah. We can visit. We can show the result. That's simple. Okay? Yeah. So we want to know this simple way. Yeah. Yeah. So that's the, if some of you don't want to try the IDE, there is no problem. You just use the text editor, write, deploy, store, save in this htdocs, run it, test it, no problem, right? Yeah. All right. And what else? Yeah, so now we are ready. So I can show you how to work it. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So let's move to the text editor part. All right. First, check Apache is running. Okay, Apache is running. Yeah. All right. Yeah. All right. And last time, remember, last time I tried to show you, after we installed XAMPP, I tried to show you it works, but, I have some problem, because I delete one important file in my htdocs, so that I couldn't show you that. Now I show you that. Okay, all right. Yeah. All right, so this time, if I just type localhost, okay, enter. Yeah. So this time you see XAMPP applications page. Yeah, there are many applications you can access. Okay, all right. But what we are interested in, PHP My Element, because this page we will use to manage our databases. Yeah. In the first part, in our module 5, I do not plan to do database programming. Yeah. So module 6, I will do database programming. So module 5, we just do some basic functions in PHP. Yeah. Simple functions in PHP. Yeah. All right. But here we get it ready. All right. So that's this small issue. So we fixed from last time. Yeah. Now we do this time. All right. Write our first PHP program. All right. Open text editor. All right. Yeah. This is a blank document. So when we start, so we PHP code. Yeah. Hello world as simple as possible. PHP tag question mark PHP. Right. So then embed PHP command statement. Yeah. Print. Yeah. When you print a message, you can use print or echo. Many people also use echo. Here I use print. Okay, almost the same. Next time I will use echo. Okay, all right. So hello world! Exclamation sign. Semicolon. Okay, end the statement. Yep. Just as we, for similar to most other programming languages. Yeah, nothing special, all right? Yeah. Close the tag embedding tags, all right? Yeah. You can use indentation, yeah, but here, so simple, so not necessary, yeah. All right, so we save the file to the right place, yeah. Okay, save the file to the htdocs, okay, yeah. So let me go here, yeah. All right, here. All right. C, my C drive, local drive, disk C, XAMPP installation root directory. When you go there, find htdocs. That's our document root. You just save directly in this folder, then you can access from web browser. Yeah. So that's simple. Yeah. Now, so let me save it. Okay, yeah. So when I save, sorry, I need to go to the C drive, right? Yeah, my XAMPP is here. Yeah, here. htdocs. All right, so that's the place. I want to put there. Let me just call hello.php. That's it. Yeah. Save. Ready to go. Yeah. Use a web browser. Yeah. Still this one. Yeah. Although I can start a new one. Okay. For simplicity, we start from a new one. Still localhost. Yeah. Localhost / all right. Type the file name hello.php. That's it. Enter. See, hello world. It works like this. As simple as this. How about that? Okay. Yeah. So we can get started. Yeah. After you pass through this first step, after that, we will learn basic features, functions, arrays, how to put things together, basic features. Then we can start write programs. All right, so that's for this video. And we complete part A